Pour vinegar in your kitchen sink. You'll be shocked. Take a close look at your kitchen sink right now. It looks clean, right? You wash your dishes, you wipe down the granite, and you think you're good. But there is a hidden nightmare lurking just beneath the surface that 90% of people completely ignore. Look at this. If you actually look down into the drain hole, things get gross fast. And if you remove that splash guard, you realize what's actually trapped inside. It's a breeding ground for bacteria, old food slime, and foul odors. But don't worry, most people think you need expensive, harsh chemicals to fix this. Today, I'm going to show you a mind-blowing hack using 2 everyday items that will completely liquefy this gunk in seconds. Pay close attention to the reaction, because if you do this wrong, it won't work at all. First, we need to prep the drain. You can see just how much debris builds up around the inner rim of a whirlpool disposal unit. To break this down naturally, we are going to use something you probably have sitting in your pantry right now. Plain old distilled white vinegar. Simple, cheap, but incredibly powerful when paired correctly. But before we pour it, we have to activate the drain. Watch how we pour the first ingredient to coat the entire pipe. You want it to completely surround the food particles. If you've ever noticed a weird smell coming from your kitchen, this is exactly why. Food gets trapped in the ridges, and standard dish soap just slides right past it. Now here is where the magic happens. To create the ultimate deep cleansing foam, we introduce our second secret weapon, a box of pure baking soda. When you mix this specific powder with the vinegar, it creates a powerful chemical reaction that expands inside the pipes, lifting up grime that has been stuck there for months. When you point to the drain after adding it, you can already see the bubbling action starting to lift the residue. It literally pushes the sludge away from the stainless steel walls without ruining your plumbing. After letting it sit and fizz for a few minutes, it's time for the final flush. We run the hot water faucet completely wide open. Watch how the water just glides smoothly down into the drain now. All that built-up slime, completely gone. No scrubbing, no calling a plumber, and absolutely zero harsh chemical fumes in your kitchen. It is easily one of the most satisfying DIY cleaning transformations you can do in under 5 minutes. Just look at those 2 ingredients together, vinegar and baking soda. That is all it takes to completely transform your kitchen hygiene. So are you ready to reclaim your sink? Comment lifestyle down below right now if you are going to try this at home tonight. Let me know how it goes. Now, you might be wondering, why does this specific combination work better than those expensive, thick chemical gels you buy at the store? It all comes down to a quick lesson in kitchen chemistry. Vinegar is an acid, and baking soda is a base. When they meet, they don't just sit there. They create an immediate, violent release of carbon dioxide gas. That intense fizzing action acts like millions of microscopic scrubbers, physically blasting the grease and organic sludge off the hidden underside of your splash guard, where your sponge can never reach.